Good day! Here we are learning the human parts and its function, reproductive system. Did you know that the reproductive system is a collection of organs and a network of hormone production that work together to create life? It consists of both male and female reproductive systems. Let's go and talk about it. First, we have here the male reproductive system, which performs the following functions. First, it produces, maintains, and transports sperm and protective fluid. Second, it discharges sperm within the female reproductive tract during sex. Lastly, it produces and secretes male sex hormones responsible for maintaining the male reproductive system. Moreover, the male reproductive system has parts and has a function. Unlike in the female reproductive system, most male reproductive organs are not located internally. They include penis, scrotum, testicles or testes, epididymis, ductus vas deferens, ejaculatory ducts. The penis is made up of two parts, the shaft and the head. The urethral opening at the tip of the penis delivers sperm into the vagina during sexual intercourse. The scrotum is the sac-like organ hanging behind and below the penis. It contains the testicles, also called testes, as well as many nerves and blood cells. Testicles or testes are the primary male reproductive organ and are responsible for testosterone and sperm production. Epididymis is a C-shaped tube that rests on the backside of each testicle. It transports and stores sperm cells that are produced in the tests. Ductus vas deferens. The vas deferens is a long, muscular tube that travels from the epididymis into the pelvic cavity to just behind the bladder. The vas deferens transports mature sperm to the urethra, the tube that carries urine or sperm outside of the body in preparation for ejaculation. Ejaculatory ducts. These are performed by the fusion of the vas deferens and the seminal vesicles. The ejaculatory ducts empty into the urethra.
The urethra is the tube that carries urine from the bladder to outside of the body. Several glands produce semen or fluid in support of the reproductive process. The seminal vesicle produces fructose that provides energy to the sperm as they seek an egg. Moving on to the female reproductive system. The female reproductive system is designed to, first, produce the eggs necessary for reproduction called the ova or oocytes. Second, incubate and nourish a fertilized egg until it is fully developed. And lastly, produce female sex hormones that maintain the reproductive cycle. Moreover, the female reproductive organs include the ovaries. Ovaries are two small oval-shaped glands located on either side of the uterus. They are home to the female sex cells called eggs, and they also produce estrogen, the female sex hormone. The fallopian tubes are narrow tunnels for a fertilized egg to make its way down to the uterus. Damage or blockage to the fallopian tubes, called tubal disease, can sometimes cause fertility problems. The uterus is the female reproductive organ that is responsible for many functions in the processes of implantation, gestation, menstruation, and labor. The round ligament connects the uterus to the abdominal wall and includes the artery of Samson. The cervix is the lower narrow part of the uterus, located between the bladder and rectum. It forms a canal that opens to the vagina and is often called the neck or entrance to the womb. The cervix lets menstrual blood out and semen into the uterus. Growths in the cervix called polyps can sometimes affect the fertilization or embryo growth process. The vagina, also known as the birth canal, joins the cervix to the outside of the body. The vulva is the external portion of the female genital organs.